Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring Git and Visual Studio Code are installed and extensions added. Once done, clone the repository with git clone and pick the right branch. This puts the project files on your disk. Next, open that folder in VS Code so the editor reads workspace settings and extensions can adjust. Make sure the repo contains a README or package manifests. These tell you the next steps and why specific tools are required. You now install dependencies so the code can run. npm install for Node, pip install R requirements. txd for Python, or follow the repo's instructions. Once installed, select the correct interpreter or runtime in VS Code so IntelliSense and debugging work. Configure environment variables in env or workspace settings because secrets and API endpoints matter. Finally, open tasks. JSON and launch. JSON, if present, to understand how build and debug are wired. This prevents surprise. You can now run or debug the project. Press F5 or run the repository command, npm start, python mflask run, .NET run, etc. Make sure the port is free and open the app in your browser. The integrated terminal shows runtime logs and errors. When done, commit and push any changes. If something breaks, a quick troubleshooting tip. Check the terminal logs first, then confirm environment variables and exact dependency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.